Grigory Ivanovich Gurkin was born January 24, 1870, died October 11, 1937, was a Russian landscape painter, the first professional artist of Altai ethnic origin. He is notable for his Altai mountain landscapes. In 1897, he started his studies in the Imperial Academy of Arts in Saint Petersburg with Ivan Shishkin and Alexander Kiselyov. Gurkin returned to Altai and started to work as a teacher in the selo of Anyos, traveling every summer to remote regions of Altai Mountains. The closest city with a developed art scene was Tomsk, where Gurkin participated in art exhibitions. In February 1918, after the October Revolution, representatives of Altai tribes in Ulala decided to establish the Karakorum Government, which had the purpose of uniting all Altai lands into a national state. Gurkin became the chairman of the government. In 1919, the government was dismissed by the forces loyal to Alexander Kolchak, and Gurkin escaped to Mongolia. He moved to the independent Tuva. There he continued to depict the everyday life and traditions of the locals, including the shamanism,